Are you craving for soft and fluffy pav buns? Here's how to make homemade Ladi Pav, fresh, eggless and made with clean ingredients. So, in a bowl, mix warm water, sugar and active dry yeast. Let it sit for 10 minutes until it turns frothy. Now in a large bowl, take flour, salt, some milk powder, and combine everything together with the help of a balloon whisk. Now let's check if our yeast is activated. Start kneading the dough with this yeast mixture. I am using stand mixer here. You can knead it with the help of your hands. Now add butter or olive oil and knead till smooth and elastic dough. Cover and let it rise for an hour or until it is doubled in size. After an hour, the dough has risen to double. Punch it down. Now divide this dough into balls and shape it into buns as shown in the video. Place them in a greased pan and proof again for 30 to 40 minutes. Brush with warm milk. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The detailed recipe is given in the description below. Don't forget to check it out. These buns are ready to go into the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Once baked, brush with butter while warm for that golden shine. Soft, healthy pav are ready. Enjoy with bhaji or vada or chai. I hope you like this video. If you love healthy, eggless and simple baking, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such nourishing recipes and feel-good treats. Thanks for watching. Happy baking!